back to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a weekend planner. So yeah, I'll also be telling you like what my weekend looks like and what I'm going to be doing and that stuff. So let me get my materials. Okay, I got my materials. I got a book, but if you're making this is a tutorial. You can use a ruler. Yeah. Got pencil case with pens in it and pencils. I got a gel pen. And of course, papers. Let's get started. You might need scissors, but I don't. So let's get started. As I say again, I'm gonna adjust my camera so it shows this. There we go. That's about good. Now I'll go back. I'm gonna get something a bit heavier. Now back here. This is good. Yeah, this is fine. I'm gonna get something so you don't fall over. I'll be right back. Okay, that's good. And I'm back. Oh, don't mind my outfit. Okay, you're gonna take your piece of paper, open your pencil case, grab a pencil, just using this one. There you go. Gonna put it down a bit. Perfect. Okay. Now you're gonna take ruler / book. Just put it in the middle of your paper. Sorry, don't mind my dogs. I'm gonna ruler this. Or book it. Okay, that line is very off. So you know what, that's why we use the pencil. My dog is super loud. I'm sorry for the background noise, everybody watching. Not that there are going to be a lot of people watching. But... Okay. Yeah, that's good. I'll erase it. I'm just going to trace with my gel pen. I know my line isn't perfect, but it's fine. So now I'm going to take my book again, representing my ruler. Gonna make a nice line to that other black line there. Do the same thing on this side, hoping it's even. Here. Perfect. I will erase these lines. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm only going to be doing Saturday and Sunday. So I know this might be flipped for you, but this is what it's going to look like. It's not going to be this short though, so yeah. So Saturday's going to be here, Sunday's going to be here. Yeah. So I'm going to write it. I'm scared. I barely ever write stuff, so. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just do. There we go, that's better. Now you can actually see my face. I'm gonna do a watermelons theme, so I'm just gonna draw like watermelons everywhere. Yeah, watermelon theme. I'm gonna draw watermelons everywhere. Bullet points, stuff like that, and Saturday, Sunday. I mean, I'm not very good at editing, so I can't actually cut the camera. But yeah, so I can't even edit at all. But yeah, just draw your bullet points, do all that stuff, and yeah, you're done. That's how to make a DIY thingy. And you can trim it. So like you can trim this shorter here, whatever you want. But I'm gonna do it off camera, so I think that's the end of today's video. Bye guys, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. My nose is shiny.